said get up now.
Come on, just give me more 5 more minutes.
You still ain't up. Boy, get up right now.
I'm up. You happy now?
You trying to get smart with me, boy?
Dad, you out of pocket, man.
Out of what?
You out of pocket.
Smack you.
God, I'm just playing with you, man.
Yeah, you better. Now get ready for school.
Man, Salah, hurry up!
Don't rush me, Jesse. Shoot.
Can you just hurry up, Salah? Getting good late.
So, sound like a personal problem to me. Shoot.
Girl, you tripping. That is my problem.
Oh no, you is tripping. Go to sleep.
Salah.
Go back to sleep. Jeez. This is what you get.
Salah, hurry up. Salah.
Daddy!
Jesse, you got to wait now.
Man, what's wrong with these people? Salah, hurry up!
No.
Salah, I'm gonna be late. Hurry up! Man.
I'm done. You happy now?
What's up, Shawty?
Shawty, why ain't you? Shawty, I'll slap you.
Man, Mom, I'm just playing with you. God.
Yeah.
So, what's for low breakfast?
Food. Now eat.
Mama got jokes.
Sure do. Now hurry up and eat. You and your sister's gonna be late for school. Yeah, eat. Oh yeah, Jesse, before I forget, pick up your sister at 6 after her volleyball practice.
No, Mom.
Yeah.
Mom, I got business to handle.
Well, your
Come
business
on,
went
man.
bankrupt. Don't forget to pick your sister up. I'm not playing with you.
Oh yeah, what about Gujo?
He can't. He works 14 hours a day, man.
Mom, this ain't fair.
Life ain't fair. Deal with it. For real. Don't forget.
All right.
What a loser.
I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every.
So, man,
What's up, Jay? What's good with you, bro?
not much in you.
Man, I'm late again, you know. Always on that hang time.
The only time?
Yeah,
What,
man. Why you here, bro?
Man, stuck in out here.
Man, you know gangster, bro. But hey, man, I'll let you later.
Alright.
Alright, well, jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming.
What's up, Jay?
So,
What you doing here, man?
man, just chilling out here. Nothing to do, man.
You gotta go to class, bro.
I'm too cool for school, man.
Yeah, whatever.
Hey, Brody.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Well, I was just gonna remind you, you're gonna pick me up later on.
Hey, I know. Like, get out of here.
Show off.
Yeah, man, you're freaking boring.
I know, bro.
Hey, but you trying to go? Are you down to go to the party?
Nah, man, I cannot because I gotta work with my sister.
Just for an hour, man.
Alright, man. Just for an hour, then I'm dipping out.
Alright, come on, man.
do this.
Alright.
Order.
Oh, snap. What time is it, bro? Oh, snap. Hey, Jay. Jay. Hey, man, I'm dipping out, bro.
Hey, bro, stay for another hour, bro.
I can't, man. I gotta pick my sister up.
Where you going?
I'm gonna pick my sister up, bro.
No, Froze, where you going? Froze, where
No,
you
for
going?
real. I'm gonna go pick my sister.
Man, I thought you was down with us, bro.
Man, I was, but I cannot no more. I gotta dip out.
Man, if you dip now, man, you ain't down with us no more, you feel?
I don't care, man. I'm gone. I'm dipping out. Deuce, man. Alright.
Jay.
So,
Man, why'd you bring that cat for, man?
I don't know, man.
I thought you said he was down and out, man.
Yeah, I think he wasn't then.
I knew he was going to forget.
Hey, ugly. Let's go.
I thought I was not gonna make it.
Told you I was gonna be here, didn't I?
But I heard you going to the party.
Well, I was, but you know, I got responsibility.
Oh, cute, my poor brother.
The heck?
Oh.
Girl, you tripping.
Well, you know I'm still telling mom and dad, right?
Hey, shut up.
You know, you don't.
Man, just chilling out here, nothing to do, man.
Man, you gotta go to class, bro.
School is just so cool, man.
Yeah, whatever, man.